Here are 5 free AI tools every digital marketer should be using in 2025. Number 1, ChatGPT. Use it for copywriting, content ideas, and even customer support scripts. Number 2, Canva AI. Instantly design social media posts, ads, and even presentations. Number 3, Pictory AI. It turns your long videos into short, shareable clips. Number 4, CapCut AI, a free editor that auto-generates captions and hooks your viewers in. And number 5, Notion AI. It helps with productivity, planning content calendars, and even research. These tools save hours, cut costs, and let you focus on strategy instead of repetitive tasks. And the best part? You don't need to spend a dime to get started. If you're not using AI tools in 2025, you're already behind. Want me to drop part 2 with more AI tools? Comment yes below.